So we are going to install the Burp Suite and Nmap, and we are going to cover the session-related vulnerabilities today.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for this, you have to. Basically, we are going to cover the lab setup kind of thing today.
Okay.
Before that, may I know from which background you are and
Yeah, I
either.
was a teacher for 13 years and then I moved to cybersecurity. I worked a couple of years in SailPoint Identity IQ, but not much into development, but it's like operations admin role kind of stuff. I have
Okay.
done onboarding and daily vulnerabilities. I have mitigated a few of them, and the daily tickets and all. So
Okay, great.
yeah. So shall I
So
also do it in my system?
yeah, yes, please. You can basically it's doesn't matter how much I teach you. It's how much practice you that matters.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
So you have to practice.
Okay. Okay. Because if we both do at the same time, it will consume time maybe. So I will take this video and I will do it once the class is done, and
Uh,
I'll come up with the dots.
sure.
Yeah. And what is this for actually?
This is to intercept the traffic from the between the browser and the server.
Okay.
And so if you think of this is web application, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is server. So usually all the communication happens between these two. So now what we are doing is we are putting in proxy here.
Mm-hmm. Web application is nothing but the browser.
The application we are trying to access.
It can be through browser or just like any other application, right?
It's not the browser. You
I
can
mean,
like
yesterday we have used that juice shop application, right? So
that's an application.
that was through a browser. So
Yes.
I'm asking it can be through a separate application or through a browser also.
Basically, here what we are doing is we have to configure in the browser itself.
Okay.
I mean, whenever we hit the URL, right, it will be
Mhm.
connecting to the server.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So
Mm.
now what we'll be doing is we will be bringing the proxy.
Mm.
Here the proxy is Burp Suite.
Okay. Burpsuit is proxy for web application or server?
A web application. I mean, it's a between the web application and server.
Okay.
You were telling about the reverse proxies are the proxies that will be at the server end. I mean, in
Your
IAM,
voices was
talking
breaking. Can you repeat?
reverse proxy. In IAM, we'll be getting the reverse proxies.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are talking about the proxies from the front end side.
Okay. So, which means
So,
this will act like Burpsuit acts like a proxy for web application to server.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
So when we hit the URL, it will be directly connecting to the server, its
Mm,
respective server.
mm,
Now, what we're going to do is we'll be configuring at the web application,
mm.
stating move the traffic to the Burp Suite,
Okay.
and from Burp Suite it will be going to the server.
Okay. So it will monitor the amount of traffic.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, Using these tool, what else we can do is it's not just only the monitoring. We
Mm,
can intercept and edit the modify the data.
Okay.
Let's say in case if there is a form which is taking the mobile number, mobile contact details.
Mm-hmm.
So the front end, what it will, if you are trying to enter the alphabets, right?
Mm-hmm.
What it will be is you are supposed to enter only the numeric numbers,
Mm-hmm.
not the alphabets.
Yeah.
So we can't enter the alphabets here in the web application. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because front end validation part.
Mm-hmm.
So now I enter the numericals thing, and I will submit the form, and that it will be intercepted here
Mm-hmm.
in Burp Suite.
Intercepted
And
in the sense?
uh, we are just capturing those data.
Okay. But as Burp Suite is just available on public cloud, is it trustworthy?
It's a local one only. We will be downloading this tool, and it will be installed in
Okay.
our local system.
Oh, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So whatever you are sending to the server, right, it will be intercepted here in Burp Suite.
Okay.
So now what I will be doing is in the Burp Suite, I can change the data to numerics to alphabets.
Okay. Modifiable.
And then I will
Mm.
forward to the server.
Okay. Okay.
That's how.
Maybe we consider it as formatting, format the data before sending it to the server.
Ah, ah, yes.
Okay. Okay.
You can bypass the front end validation.
Okay.
Okay, got it right.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the purpose of this thing. So for that, before that, we also need to configure some things,
Mm,
which is that we have to tell the browser to send the traffic to localhost, which is okay. Let's download it and let's configure it.
mm. Okay.
So this is the one from where you can download it. Usually we'll be having two versions, community version and professional version.
Mm-hmm.
For a professional version, right, we'll be having some plugins, those additional features we'll be having,
Mm.
and there will be a rate limiting. There will be no throttle for the rate limiting thing. We will explore that once we get into the topics.
Okay.
Okay, for now we are proceeding with the community version itself.
Okay. In the about page, I mean, on top of the page, you can see go straight to downloads.
Yes, sorry. Thanks. Okay, from here you can download it.
Mm.
Okay, I'm just pasting it. So here you have to choose the Windows. If you are using the Mac or a Linux, you can choose accordingly.
Mm.
And it's
Okay.
an, in case of you are using Windows, right?
Yes.
Or Mac.
No.
Okay.
Windows. Mm.
So it's an just executable file. If you double click on it, right? Just click on this message. You will be having the tool.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. I'm just pasting in the chat as well.
Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For now, I have already installed that tool.
Okay.
This is the tool how it looks like. Let me restart it. So in case of Burp Suite community version, right, whatever we have intercepted the data, those won't be saving.
Those won't be saving. What did you say? Mm, mm.
But so now what we have to do is we have to configure, we have to tell to the browser that to send the traffic to Burp Suite.
Okay.
And for Burp Suite, we have to tell that listen to the traffic from the web application.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Mm-hmm.
From here on, it will take care.
Okay. So how does it configure with the server? Like it's
Ah,
default?
yes, it's default.
Oh.
From here in, it will be checking for the DNS and
Mhm.
how from the web app to server happens, right? The
Yeah,
same way it happens from the Burp Suite to server.
got it. Okay.
So here, this is the dashboard, how it looks the Burp Suite.
Mm.
So the proxy. Here we can, if we turn on the intercept on right, we can get the data whatever we are sending to the server. So to configure that, what we have to do is we have to click on the proxy settings. If you see here, right, proxy listener, which means that it will be listening for the traffic on this port 8080.
Mm.
This is a 127.0.0.1 is a local host IP. You
Mm.
are aware of the local host IP, right?
Yeah, yeah. IP config.
Mhm.
Mm.
So it will be listening on the port 8080.
Mm.
So for the browser, we have to tell that send the traffic to this IP on port 8080.
Mm.
Got it, right?
Uh, that is this interface, I mean, the IP address which we are seeing here is of the
Hmm.
local host.
Yes,
Okay. And we have to give this IP to the browser.
browser. The same thing should be there. So that now whatever here configured at the proxy is listening on 127.0.0.8080.
Mm. Okay.
Put it here. 127.0.0.1 upon port 8080. So now we have to tell the web browser to send the traffic to this IP on port 8080.
Okay.
For that, what we have to do is go to the settings, search with XY, mm, open computer proxy settings. I think now it is using the proxy this itself. So let me try other way. Proxy.
Can we check in my system because it is not
Ah,
set? Yeah,
hmm,
I'm sharing my screen.
hmm. Or you can share your screen. I will guide you. You can configure it.
Yes. I think you should allow me to share my screen, or you can stop sharing.
I think I already stopped.
It's showing the host isn't allowing sharing for this meeting.
Even got any notification to allow.
I'm reclaiming host.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so start here.
You can click on the proxy.
Direct.
Just
Okay, intercept on.
not required that one. For now, let that be off. Proxy set. Click on the proxy
The
settings.
settings.
So here you can see that it's listening on the port 8080. If you
Right.
want to add another, if you can click on edit.
Mm,
If you want this to be listening on port 8081, right? You can click on that and change it to 8081.
Okay. You want me to change now?
Yes. Change
8081.
it to 8081.
Mm-hmm. That's it?
Yes. Click on OK. So it will be listening the traffic on port 8081.
Okay.
Now in the Firefox browser,
Firefox. I don't have Firefox. I have
mm, can you try
Edge
installing that one?
with the Google Chrome or Edge.
Firefox.
Sorry,
Or to the Firefox browser.
I don't have Firefox. I guess.
You can download it.
Is it specific? Like we should use this browser only?
Yes, there is a specific reason. I will let you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to the Chrome, right?
Mm-hmm.
In Chrome, it is using the system proxies.
Okay.
If you use a system proxy, right,
Mm-hmm.
everything will be directed to the. I mean, uh,
That's good. Got it. By
there will
default.
be.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, you will be isolated from the internet, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in case of Firefox, right, you can specifically redirect the browser traffic to. I mean, only Firefox traffic to the Burp Suite.
Okay.
Click on settings. Search with XY. Settings. Settings. Here, manual proxy configuration. Put the this IP localhost IP 127 dot.
Will I be able to copy it?
No. We have to 127 dot 0.0.1.1. In the port number, you have to give the no. Just beside that there is a port, right? There you have to enter the port. Port
Let me check once.
8081.
8081. That's all right.
No. You are here. We are supposed to enter only the IP. The port address should be entered just right side
Got
of
it.
this.
Mhm.
Right. There you have to enter 8081. Also mention that use this proxy for HTTPS.
Mm.
Click on OK.
So how do we know about the ports? Like 8080 is the default, 81 and all. How do we know like which port is open, which can be used and all?
Let's say yesterday we have ran the juice shop, right?
Mm.
That is accessible on the port 3000.
Okay.
if you remember yesterday, that
Yeah,
application
it's
is
even
accessible.
in the GitHub. Yeah.
So if you try to give the port 3000, right, in the burp suite, it will won't allow you to listen on that. Why? Because it's already been using.
And I'm asking, like, where do we check, like, which port is open, what are the ports available and all?
Usually, from there, the port range is 65535 1 to 65535.
Okay, so we can use any of those.
Any of them, but before less than 4000, don't use anything. Those are some dedicated one. Those
Okay.
ports are dedicated one.
Mm.
Apart from that, you can use anything.
Okay.
In general, the port that we use is 8080 or 8081, 8083. Those we can give in such a way.
Okay.
So whatever you enter now here, right, that will be intercepted by the burp suite proxy.
Okay.
You can try any non-HTTP URL. Advanced accept risk. There is no right. If you see here, we are getting the error, which is this is because of SSL thing. YouTube works on only on the HTTPS, right?
Oh, okay. So, which you really want me to do?
Uh, let me check. Just give me a moment. I'm pinging the. Hmm. I just ping you in the chat.
Mm.
If you try to access that application, right, it will be accessible.
Okay.
No, no. I think you have copied different one. I have messaged in the chat group.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. If you say it is accessible, but in case if you're trying to access other thing, right? I
Mm.
mean, HTTP
It's not
traffic,
allowed. Yeah.
it's not allowing. Why? Because these web applications are designed to access available only on the HTTPS.
Okay.
So whatever we are trying to access from
Acha,
browser,
secure and non-secure. So it also has come as HTTP, but it is not secure
ah,
website, whereas the others are like secure. That's what you
yes,
meant to say.
yes,
Oh.
exactly. So for whatever the applications running on HTTPS, right, they
Mm.
should be all the data should go on the encrypted channel.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So uh, between the browser and Burp Suite, we haven't configured any encryption set. We haven't installed any certificates.
Okay.
That's the reason it's not allowing to access the HTTPS sites now.
Mm.
So for that, what we can do is we have to import one certificate from the Burp Suite and we have to install in the our browser.
Okay.
Now go to the Burp Suite once. Here uh, there is a field right import or export CA certificate.
Mm.
Click on that. We have to select the first option, certificate in DR format.
Okay.
Next, select file. We have to choose the location where we want to download the certificate.
I didn't download. Acha, where we have to download. Okay.
Uh, uh,
Mm. Okay.
Give the name as burpset.dir. No. In the file name we have to change.
Just
Mm-mm.
am I
D
right?
here. D for Delhi.
DER.
Mm. D for Delhi.
Mm.
Save it.
Close.
We have exported the certificate. Now we have to install in the Firefox browser.
Mm.
Go to the Firefox. Now go to settings. Search with certificate. CERT. Use certificates. Import certificate. Trust. Check the two boxes. Trust the CA2 identify website. Okay. Okay. Now try the HTTPS sites.
Mm. Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah.
So now let's try to intercept. Go to the Burp Suite now once. Close this settings. You can close it. Now again click on Burp Suite. Now just turn on the interceptor. Now once in the browser, search with any term. Go to the browser and search.
Mm. Any term?
In the, I mean, in the search bar of YouTube, you can search anything.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, go to the Burp Suite now. There should be a request. You got it right.
Mm. Yeah.
So here you can observe that these are the requests from the
The
YouTube,
uh,
YouTube and some other sites.
okay. Mm.
So there should be a get request or post request. Go to the get request, which is the third one.
Sorry.
Third request.
Oh, this one. Yeah. Mm.
Not here as well. Okay. Go check for the last three requests.
This is for this DO Siemens.
Yes.
Mm.
Last request.
Oh yeah, now it has come. That's oh yeah, this is for the YouTube.
Hmm. Just go for the above one,
Post?
post one. Yes. Just scroll down a little bit. Try searching with the terms you have entered the Prebuna web. Search for that. I think you should be getting here. Yes. If you see right.
Yeah. 10th line. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
So this you can get the details for let's say here you can modify it and you can send to the server.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Got it.
But why do we modify the search and all? Like it's not search, but any input we can modify. That's what you said?
As I earlier mentioned, right? We
Mm.
are supposed to the client side input validations will be done.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I have changed it to CC exam. Here it is just CC. Then,
Mm-mm. If you
oh, is
click forward it, right?
forward.
Just beside the intercept on.
Okay. Should I click?
Yes, click on it.
Mm.
Now turn off the. interception.
Mm.
Go back to the Firefox.
Mm.
Or you can try with the different one. You have tried with the Pebuna, right? You can search with the any other. I mean, if you have entered the any other term, right, you will be getting the results of that instead of the Pebuna.
Okay, I have done it, but the interception is off, right?
Ah, yes.
So we won't be able to see it.
Yes.
So should I turn it on and check again?
Yes.
Okay, the session is going to end. I'll just, I mean, it's just less than a minute. I will do it again.
Sure.